Here's how you can lock apps on Samsung phone. So, doing this is pretty simple. You'll have to just install an application and you'll be easily able to lock any kind of app on your phone. So, to do this, first navigate to Play Store on your mobile phone, click on the search icon and search for App Lock Pro. Now, click on it and you'll be able to see different apps available. Click on the one that looks like this. So, install this application and after the installation gets finished, click Open. Now, AppLock Pro will open up. You will see this page where you'll have to click Get Started. Now, you'll have to create a 4-digit PIN. What you can also do is click 4-digit PIN and you can choose to make a 6-digit PIN, pattern, knock code or anything else. I'm choosing 4-digit PIN. After choosing it, enter the PIN that you prefer and click Create. Verify your 4-digit PIN, click Save. Now, you can use extra security by enabling biometrics. If you don't want it, click Not right now. Now, here you'll have to give permission. Click Permit and Continue and click Allow. Now, click Let's do it and here you'll have to turn on Appear on Top option for AppLock Pro. Now, click Permit and Continue and click Allow Permission for AppLock Pro. Now, it will show a notification saying AppLock is ready. Now, click OK. And here you will see different applications available on this screen. Simply navigate to the one that you want to turn on the app lock for. So for example, I will lock my Messages app. So I will click on the lock icon after message. Now Messages will be locked. I can get back and once I click on Messages icon, it will show this page where I will have to enter my PIN and after I enter my PIN, that app will be instantly unlocked. Just the same way, I can lock my phone application or any kind of app. Now, once I click the application that has been locked, it will open up with this page where I will have to enter my password to unlock the application. Now, to unlock the app, you'll have to click on the locked section at the top and click this lock icon after all the apps that have been locked. You can simply remove them from this section and those apps will be unlocked. So that is the simple way through which you can lock apps on Samsung phone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.